Patrymau iaith diwrnod 5. Rhyddlan a dinbych. Canolradd. Day 5 language patterns. Rhif 1. Y goddefol. The passive voice. Remember using cael to have in the past tense? Be ges di I frecwast bore yma? What did you have for breakfast? Ges ti amser da heddiw? Did you have a good time today? And remember possessive pronouns? My, fy plus nasal mutation E. Your, dy plus soft mutation D. His, A plus soft mutation O. Her, A plus aspirate mutation he, plus h before a vowel. Our, ein, ni, plus h before a vowel. Your, eich, chi. Their, a, nhw, plus h before a vowel. When these two patterns are put together, they create the passive voice, describing something that has happened to the subject. The full pattern looks like this. Mi ges I fy ngeni. Mi ges ti dy eni. Mi gaeth o ei eni. Mi gaeth hi ei geni. Mi gaethon ni ein geni. Mi gaethoch chi eich geni. Mi gaethon nhw ei geni. If we are using the passive voice to talk about nouns, things, people, places, we use mi gaeth, although you will often see this written as mi gafodd or just cafodd as a more formal version. Mi gaeth y tŷ ei brynu. Mi gafodd y tŷ ei brynu. Cafodd y tŷ ei brynu. The house was bought. Mi gaeth y siop ei phrynu. Mi gafodd y siop ei phrynu. Cafodd y siop ei phrynu. The shop was bought. Literally, these translate as the house had his or its buying, and the shop had her or its buying. Because of the possessive pattern, there is an H added to the words following a, feminine, a and ein. Mi gaeth hi ei harestio. Mi gaethon ni ein hachub. Mi gaethon nhw ei henwi. There is a short form of this pattern, but we will only use it in the third person to talk about other people and things. The ending used is wyd. For example, mi gaeth hi ei harestio. Mi arestwyd hi. She was arrested. Mi gaeth y gêm ei dangos ar y teledu. Mi ddangoswyd y gêm ar y teledu. The game was shown on television. This form is also known as the impersonal, amhersonol, because it doesn't say who did the action. It is quite formal and is used a lot in news articles and academic writing.